Hello guys, and welcome to another YouTube video. As you can see, I just received a payment from NextToPay. This was a bonus payment. I received it for free, so I'm going to show you how to get that and get even more from the NextToPay website. I will drop a link to the website on the description and in the comments. So when you log in, firstly you will see a bonus balance of 1000 here. I've already withdrawn my own, so that's why it's not reflecting here. So you can see it, I withdrew it and they took a percentage of 10% out of the money. So you can see this is the payment I received minus 10% tax from them. So I also deposited 4000 to get a product or to get an investment plan. So here is the investment plan. I purchased 4,600 naira every day for 20 days. The total sum of 12,000, that is times 3 of the money I invested within 20 days. So if you want to recharge or deposit into your account, you click on the recharge here and you can see different amounts to recharge or to deposit in your account. So you just go ahead and pick the amount you want to recharge and press continue, and it will give you a specific account to make payment. You can also go to your withdrawal and you can put in any amount you want to withdraw here from your balance, and it will ask of a 10% service fee. So if I'm withdrawing 2000 for instance, I'm going to get 1.8. So you can just press withdraw now after linking your account, and it will go directly into your account in the period of 5 minutes or less. So here are the products that are available. As I said before, it is basically just times 3 of your investment. If you put 50,000, you get 150. 400, 1.2, you see it's just basically times 3 of your money within the span of 20 days. So they also give daily income. So those daily income, you can be withdrawing it like day to day. If you are investing 4000 like I did, your daily income is 600. If you invested 10,000, your daily income will be 1500. If you invest 500,000, your daily income will be 75,000, and so on. So this is a disclaimer from me. I am not in any way related or sponsored by NextToPay. This is just a video of a random guy who saw an opportunity and is letting the general public know of it. And I am aware that this type of websites tend to crash in some months or years. But this just launched on Friday. I'm recording this video on the 15th. It launched on the 14th, that is on Friday. So it has a um, high tendency of lasting for longer. But I will advise you not to put or not to invest huge sum of money here. Do not leave any of your money daily on the app. Always make sure you withdraw your daily income. So when anything happens, you'll be sure that your money is safe in your account. So goodbye. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment if this worked for you, or if you have any questions.